Hey friends, Jay Thompson, founder and CEO of XCel Strategies. We are up here at Hardy Chevrolet, up here in Dallas, Georgia. We've launched our welding competition for this year. So we had over 10 teams here today, building projects, launching those projects, showcasing their talent with the welding industry. We know the community needs welders, and we're trying to introduce as many students to welders as we can through the XCel welding competition. Thank y'all so much for supporting us this year. We look forward to doing it again next year.
Oh yeah, so, I mean, for the past 24 years, I eat, sleep, breathe welding. If I'm not out there welding, I'm reading about it, I'm talking about it, I'm coming to events just like this. Don't be afraid of hard work. Welding's a lot of hard work. Everything we touch is sharp, hot, and heavy. I watched my dad cut a piece of chain one day when I was about 14 or 15. We used to dig swimming pools during the summer down in Florida, and I seen him cut metal with fire. And the following year I signed up for welding class, and the cool thing about it was every time I learned a new process, there was something else to learn. So every process going from one step to the next just kept me, make me want to dig deeper and deeper into it.
I mean, I don't think there's any reason to be hesitant to get into it. Always be comfortable when you're welding. Your weld is never going to turn out good unless you are comfortable in the position that you're in. Be prepared to not be perfect at it right when you start, but the more you work at it and develop that muscle memory, the better it is. So just keep at it, basically.